God led Ezekiel into a valley filled with dry, scattered bones and asked, "Can these bones live?" Ezekiel replied, "Lord God, you alone know." God told him to preach to the bones. Ezekiel obeyed, and the bones suddenly came together. Flesh and skin covered them, but they still had no breath. God then told him to command the wind to blow, and breath filled the bodies. They came alive and stood up like a massive army. These dry bones represented the people of Israel, who felt completely hopeless and defeated. God used this vision to prove that He could rebuild their future and put His Spirit back inside them. The story shows that Ezekiel had to trust God and speak His message before he saw any changes happen. This lesson applies directly to our own difficult times. We often look at broken dreams or hard situations and assume there is no hope left. However, God is never limited by what seems impossible to us. Real change often happens step by step, and outward appearance means nothing without God's inner life and direction. Your current struggle is not the end of your story. When life feels completely dry, keep praying and trusting in God. The same power that brought those bones back to life can still bring hope, healing, and strength to your situation today. Keep praying and following our God's command. He will surely create a way where none seems to exist.